Omar Al-Bashir, the soldier in charge of Sudan's government, has decided to deal with Kenya by brandishing a big stick. Kenya's ambassador to Sudan has been ordered to leave the country within 72 hours. The Sudanese government will not have him there. The government of Sudan has also recalled its ambassador to Kenya. All this due to the Nairobi High Court ruling requiring the government to arrest Sudan's president should he visit Kenya and hand him over to the International Criminal Court, a position at odds with the political agreements made between African heads of state with regard to the ICC. A statement from the Embassy of Sudan states, and I quote, "The court's ruling of yesterday was a serious damage to the bilateral relations between the two countries." However, the Kenyan government seems to have steered away from the path of diplomatic confrontation, saying it will not take retaliatory action. Instead, it termed the ruling by High Court Judge Nicholas Ombija as unhelpful. Sudan's president is wanted by the International Criminal Court for crimes against humanity committed in the Darfur region. However, he has defied the ICC and rallied political support against its chief prosecutor. Sudan says African Union members are in agreement not to cooperate with the ICC due to the political nature of the process. The Sudanese government says all African countries should abide by the African Union's resolution not to cooperate. Kenya's Foreign Affairs Minister Moses Wetangula also agrees with this position, saying Kenya, as a responsible and active member of the African Union, fully subscribes to the position taken by the AU Assembly. He added that the government has asked the Attorney General to appeal the court ruling. The Sudanese statement further states that the Sudan finds it difficult to accept the interference of an international NGO to hamper relations between Sudan and Kenya. The matter came up in Parliament today, raised by Kirinyaga MP Joseph Gitari, who expressed concern about Kenyan students in Sudan. Gitari also inquired about existing bilateral or regional engagements with Sudan and whether the development is likely to affect such engagements. Sudan has indicated that the recall of its ambassador will be followed by consultations, setting up the likelihood of more developments on this unfolding saga. Sudan's President Omar Al-Bashir was in Kenya on August 27, 2010, during the inauguration of the constitution. At the time, he had an outstanding ICC warrant of arrest, but was not arrested by the Kenyan government, which is a signatory to the Rome Statute that created the ICC. Muraya, Kariuki, KTN Prime.